You will need 1 sliced yellow pepper, 2 medium carrots sliced, 1 large onion sliced, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of hot Hungarian paprika, 2 tablespoons of parsley, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 cup of oil, about 2½ pounds of top round beef steak, thin cuts. Combine your ingredients and marinate the meat. Roll your roulades with few slices of carrots, peppers, and onions. Place your roulades into sauté pan on medium heat. Saute the meat on till brown, then add a glass of water. Then lower the temperature to 2 on the stove and continue to cook for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Serve with dark brown sauce in any combination of dinners. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your meal.